Hello, in this video, we will learn about multi-stage query processing. Here you can see its patent, query preparser, followed by global execution, then the query expander, and finally the first stage query processor. And this is how the entire query process proceeds. Here, using BE threads, threaded processing, and in individual threads, it matches these items. There are many processes involved. Let's understand them. First, this is the patent that discusses the context of words. Next is expanding words with synonyms and co-occurrence. After that, criteria for absent queries, Boolean logic, query term weights, document popularity, word proximity, and then word adjacency. Finally, it uses VIPs and web page layout. Now let's break down and understand all these points one by one. This patent contains all the methods through which the search engine analyzes the query and refines it across multiple stages. First, let's understand what the context of words is. The search engine understands the context through the words surrounding the query. For example, if someone searches Apple phone price, Google might initially interpret Apple as the fruit. However, the accompanying words phone price tell Google that the context here refers to the phone, not the fruit. So in the query, Apple phone price, because phone comes with Apple, Google understands that the context is the device, not the fruit brand. Next is stop words removal. In query analysis, stop words are removed. For instance, if the query is what is the best restaurant near me, the stop words like and, the, and is are eliminated. After removal, the query becomes best restaurant near me. Next is stemming, where constraint words are simplified and written in their root form. For example, the word running is converted to run. Similarly, better is converted to good. All these operations happen on the back end and are invisible to us, but the search engine performs them in seconds. Okay, how to improve running speed is changed to improve running speed. Wait, if the query is how to improve running speed, it is ultimately changed to improve run speed. Next is expanding with synonyms and co-occurrences. Synonyms for car include vehicles or automobile, words that have the same meaning. Co-occurrences means words that are mostly used together. For example, espresso with coffee or brew with caffeine. Following this is criteria use processing for absent queries. This involves handling queries where key terms are missing and still showing relevant results for them. For example, if the desired query is affordable Paris flights, but a user searches cheap flights to France. When this is searched, Google understands that the user wants cheap flights to France. This is essentially the job of absent queries processing. And next is Boolean logic. This is used to expand search results using and, or, and not. Their job is to expand and also refine the results. After that, we have term weights, which means prioritizing certain words by increasing their weight. For instance, in urgent plumber near me, the word urgent will receive high priority. Then there is document popularity, which ranks an article based on how many backlinks it has received. Next is word proximity, which checks how close the words are to each other, such as climate change effects versus effects of climate change. After that, word adjacency ensures that exact phrases match, like black dress versus dress black. Finally, the technology used was VIPs. VIP stands for Visual-Based Page Segmentation. This analyzes the page layout, header, footer, and images so that the content can be prioritized. An example of this is extracting the main article text from the collected page. Following that, it uses the web page layout and HTML structure to understand the content hierarchy. It then recognizes titles, subtitles, and body text so that relevant sections can be ranked.